Hey guys, it's Zoe. So today is March 2nd. It's kind of late at night, but yesterday my 100 ab challenge video hit 100k views, and I think it's almost already at 2k, which is so crazy that people are actually watching that video, because I remember in the beginning I wasn't even sure if I was ever going to get the guts to post it, but I'm so happy that I did. Thank you so much to everyone who's been subscribing and leaving such sweet comments to me. They honestly mean so much, and I'm so happy that I was able to inspire some of you guys to start the challenge. I got a lot of questions regarding my diet, and I also saw some comments on my first What I Eat in a Day video saying that I don't eat enough, which I definitely do. Just to put it in perspective, I'm pretty petite. I'm only 5'1", so everyone's caloric intake is going to be different based on your age, height, and weight. But that being said, I don't want to give off this false perception that, I eat super healthy, because that's definitely not true. This whole health and fitness journey has really been a lifestyle change for me, and in order for it to be a sustainable change, I don't really restrict myself too much with my diet, just because I don't want to be miserable the entire time. I want to enjoy this process, so I don't really count calories, or I don't count macros or anything like that. I basically just eat what I want while at the same time making health conscious decisions. So, okay, I guess that's it. Okay, so for breakfast, I think I'm craving a yogurt parfait. So here's my finished breakfast. I usually make this if I have a little bit of extra time in the morning. So I have my yogurt parfait with raspberries and blueberries and granola. And then I have my, soft boiled egg. Yes, look at that yolk. So good. So for lunch, I made the Annie's Organic White Cheddar Mac and Cheese and broccoli that I seasoned with garlic and pepper. And then as a snack, I have cucumbers and almond dip. So for dinner, I made beef cubes with the leftover broccoli. I marinated the beef in soy sauce, rice vinegar, and sesame oil. I wish you guys could smell this, because it honestly smells so good. And then I also have a little bit of rice underneath. Also, my recipes aren't going to be too extravagant, just because I'm still learning how to cook. So yeah, let's eat. So I'm about to leave for a dance cardio class, but before I do, I'm going to take this pre-workout from Alani Nu. It's in the rainbow candy flavor. I saw Remy rave about this in one of her vlogs, and I decided to pick it up. And honestly, it's so good, and it also gives me a lot of energy for my workout. So So this is my dinner. It's just one of those nights where I just don't really feel like cooking. So I'm trying palmini for the first time. It was recommended to me by a friend who said that it's better than zucchini noodles, so we shall see. And then I just topped it with the Rayo's marinara sauce. And then for protein, I'm having leftover beef cubes. Okay, first bite. It's pretty good. It's a bit thicker than zucchini noodles, which I do like. And I feel like you honestly can't really tell that it's not pasta, it's just a tiny bit crunchier. So for breakfast, I'm having spinach with eggs, which I'm going to eat once I get to the office. I have my green smoothie, of course. And then for snack, I packed my Stacy's pita chips, and I'm using the Stashers reusable bags because I'm trying to limit my use of plastic. Okay, so for dinner, I think I'm gonna make a udon stir fry because I'm craving some noodles. For protein, I'm just gonna boil this frozen shrimp that I got from the Asian supermarket. For vegetables, I'm going to use bok choy, bell peppers, so these are all the ingredients that I'll be using today. I have my udon noodles, bell peppers, bok choy, boiled shrimp, and then for sauces, I'm using olive oil, minced garlic, oyster sauce, sriracha, of course, and I'm using coconut aminos as a healthier alternative to soy sauce. So this is the finished result. I'm so hungry, I can't wait to eat. Okay, so this is my friend Lenny, and we're gonna eat in the bathroom because it's the only place with good lighting, so. So it's about 9:30 right now, and I'm getting a bit hungry. Today is my friend Lenny's birthday celebration, so we're basically going to be eating out all day, and it's definitely not going to be healthy. So our reservation, I think, is at 1. So to hold myself off, I'm going to have the rest of this cucumber, and I'm going to dip it in the almond jalapeno dip from Trader Joe's. So I know that I barely ate today, but I was pretty busy on the go, and then I was also catching up with some friends. So for dinner, I'm gonna be having this giant piece of salmon that I seasoned with garlic aioli mustard from Trader Joe's and also some lemon pepper. And then for veggies, I made some bok choy. I'm also going to be finishing the other half of the everything bagel croissant from earlier. It's kind of a weird combination, but it works.